In this video, we'll be using the laws of logarithms to evaluate a logarithmic expression. So looking at the example we have here, we have 2 log base 3 of 6 plus log base 3 of 0.75. Before I begin or try to apply the laws of logarithms to this, I want to ensure that I have the same base on both logs, because if I don't, I can't use my laws of logs. I've got a base 3 here and a base 3 here. Since both are base 3, I can apply my laws of logs. I'm going to start with the first part of this. I can see I've got a coefficient of 2 in front of log base 3 of 6. So I'm multiplying this expression by 2, but I'm not multiplying this by anything. So what I'd like to do is use my law of logs that states that if I've got a coefficient in front here, I can take that and I can rewrite it up here as an exponent. So that means I'm going to get log base 3 of 6 squared instead. And to that, I'm going to be adding log base 3 of 0.75. So since I can evaluate 6 squared, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to say log base 3 of 36 plus log base 3 of 0.75. Now, since I have the same base on both logs, and I'm adding them, I can use another law of logs that states that if I have the same base and I'm adding two logarithms, I can multiply these numbers instead. I'm going to say 36 times 0.75. If I do that, I'm going to get the log base 3 of 27. Now, to solve that, I'd like to convert it to exponential form. So to do that, I'm going to say that log base 3 of 27 equals x. Rewriting that as an exponential, I'm going to say 3 to the x equals 27. So I have 3 to the x equals 3 cubed. Equating those, I get x equals 3, which means this expression would evaluate to give me 3.